Alright, so I'm gonna make a stoner chicken sandwich. Using chicken fries. Tyson chicken fries. Alright, first, got the Tyson chicken fries already cooked. Gotta butter the burger bun. Very important that it's real butter. No fucking country crock shit on this burger or sandwich or whatever the fuck you want to call it. There we go, that's a little better. Maybe. We'll find out. A little bit of butter. Alright. Now once we got this butter, we're gonna heat up this pan. And take that butter. These are cooked onions from last night's hamburgers. And those are gonna get cooked after we heat the bun up first. We're gonna cook the bun first. And then after the bun's been heated up, we're gonna cook the onions. And we also got bourbon, brown sugar, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce in the microwave that we're gonna give it a little heat to, and that will go down before the onions. This is just some sour cream because I made a couple of these. They're like nacho cheese fajita triangle things, you know. But something to snack on. Alright. I'll just throw the trash in the sink for now. Lay it all up when we're done. Alright. Should be warm enough to start toasting the bun. Get that bun nice and toasted. But yeah, I've been doing like good as far as not doing the illegal substances type thing, you know, just taking my Adderall and what you call it, and marijuana. Mentally I'm still kind of a little all over the place, you know. It's almost like a, not bipolar, but it kind of feels almost like a bipolar feeling. It's like literally second to second it can change sometimes. Oops. So I just deal with it. I'm just dealing with it. That's pickles. They're regular kosher pickles. Just, you know, hamburger dill pickles are not kosher, whatever. They're regular pickles. And the weird butter shit. Or like my sister, she gets everything spicy. Some of these chicken fries are for the dog too. Those are bomb. Those she can't have. So I'm gonna take her 3. In fact, she'll probably end up with getting 4. Just break them in half, put them in a bowl. But I'm cool for the dog, you know. I got a hand feeder though. She usually won't eat it out of the bowl. She's quite spoiled. She doesn't eat her dinner out of the dog, like out of the dog bowl she does, but she sits on her dog bed or the couch and you hold the bowl for her. She won't eat it out of the like little thing that holds it. She'll drink her water out of that, but she won't fucking eat through that. Oh, those are looking perfect. Oh, those are looking good. We're gonna turn down the heat a little bit. Gotta get my more tray for her. Alright. Perfect. Perfect buns. Now some of these onions, let's heat up. I don't want to heat up too many. Let's also heat up this barbecue sauce. Yeah, you know I'm using a cord. I don't want to fuck this thing up. Look at it. It's kind of a big one, but we'll use this. Then we're going to put that hot barbecue sauce on the top and bottom. Let's get the pickles out of the way. These are all our cold stuff, okay? Da, Okay, the cheese, that's gonna get melted on there. Alright, so hot. Got the barbecue sauce that we're gonna fucking put on this shit. God, those onions smell so good. It smells like fucking In-N-Out in here with the buttered bun and the fucking onions. God damn it. That's why I use a spoon for fucking sauce. Just go like this and then bam. So we got our perfectly buttered buns. Barbecue sauce with warm barbecue sauce. The Sweet Baby Ray's brown sugar meringue. Okay. And we got our onions. I'm really bad at it's in a bad angle, but we're gonna put it on there. I'll show you guys in a second. Alright. Okay, get some onions on there. And this probably looks like it might not be that good, but trust me, this shit's gonna be bomb. Okay. Don't wanna waste any of these onions, because they're gonna be fucking bomb tasting. Okay. Clean all that up at the end. Okay, so now that's where we're looking. So we got bottom bun right here. Oh, let me just switch. Smart person would. Okay, so we got bottom bun right there. Got the top bun, nice and barbecue sauced, warm, toasted, and covered in onions. Next, we're gonna put chicken fries. I need to paint my fucking fingernails. Like so. Okay, there will be one extra for you, Maya. Okay. Right? So we got that. That's for the dog. Okay, now take the cheese and I only used 2 different cheeses, but I only got one right now. Now this is American, but this is that shit from the deli. This is that good shit that's been freshly sliced. Okay, now take this one and we're gonna melt that fucking cheese on it. Fuck, might want to put another piece of cheese, I think. Let's get another piece of cheese. And no, I'm not fucking editing any of this shit. That one, you guys can make it brown for a second. Right here. Okay, let's see if I can get this cheese out one-handed. One-handed. People do that all the time with one hand. Okay. There we go. Let's drip it a little bit over that edge. Okay. That's it. 30 seconds. And see and watch the cheese melt. So it holds those chicken fries from falling apart. This cheese is slowly dripping. Watch it slowly drop. Dropping, 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 dropping. Nope. Watch the cheese melt. Watch the cheese melt. There we go. Now, it's assembly time. Okay. So we got all the hot components put together, right? So we got all the hot parts put together. Next, pickles. Pickle. I thought I had five pickles out. Oh well. 4's fine. It covers the whole thing anyways. Okay. Next. Oh no, not tomatoes next. We do. Where are the barbecue chips? Hold on. next ingredient. Lay's wavy hickory barbecue chips. Look like this so far. Bam, chips. There's pickles under that. Grilled onions. Then barbecue sauce, chicken fries, 2 pieces of cheese. The good shit, the good cheddar cheese. Deli. Okay. And I haven't even ate my edibles yet. Chocolate milk. Okay. Now, those are just mixed veggies. That's from, I make teriyaki chicken bowls. Oh, this one was teriyaki beef bowl with a copycat recipe of the Samurai Sam sauce, and it tastes the exact fucking same. Sometimes I use ginger though in it. They don't use ginger, but sometimes I throw a little ginger in the sauce. But if you don't use the ginger, it tastes identical. Okay, and then we put tomato on there. And then the final ingredient, and this might not sound important, but it is. It is very important. The lettuce. Now the lettuce is very important because I said so. Let's see. There's lettuce. Boom, 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 boom. And I always put more lettuce than I need because I know it's gonna fall out. So big brain. Big brain right there, move. Okay. Right? Okay, so let's get all this shit out of the way. Is that everything? Am I missing any ingredients? Okay, what is this? That's tomato shit. That can go. Okay. Now, that is the ultimate stoner sandwich right there when you're hungry. So, 2 hamburger buns, both buttered and cooked. Then heat up some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. Put it on top and bottom. Chicken fries. Lay 5 across the bottom, 1 on top, 2 pieces of cheddar cheese. This side, put your grilled onions. Must be grilled in butter. Cook those onions in real butter, no country cock bullshit. Then the Lay's wavy hickory barbecue chips, followed by tomatoes. Then on this side, after that cheese has been melted, you add lettuce, and then as a final, a little bit of salt. I completely missed, and a wee bit of pepper. Okay, now let's put that together and take a bite. I've made this sandwich before, minus the grilled onions. So, I've had this exact sandwich multiple times, but minus grilled onions. So, let's see what we got going on. Fuck, that's good, dude. Fuck, that's good. That's the kind of shit I wish you could go to the store and just get. Like, dude. Alright, well. A+ for me. A fucking plus. A plus plus plus. Alright. So, next video will be finishing the can of this butter. Or maybe this might be posted before and after, who knows. Everybody have a good day. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. It's fucking delicious.